and people have mostly more attachment with British accent as compared to American accent, especially teachers. The young generation is equally accepting American and British accents. That it's not a problem. So mostly in the institutions, language institutions, TOEFL is not offered. Means TOEFL course is not openly offered. Therefore, there are less number of students. But that is also equally enjoyable. TOEFL also improves your lot of skills, your vocabulary, but in TOEFL I have observed that in reading portion you improve step by step and you can improve up to the high standard. But in IELTS reading it's very tough. Means from 5 bands, if you are receiving 5 bands in IELTS reading, moving up to 7 is not an easy task. It's quite challenging. You spend a lot of time and then you improve upon your readings.
Okay, well, thank you so much, sir.
You are very welcome. If there is any question, any confusion in your mind, you can type in the comment box. I can also explain whatever are your queries.
And if you want to do your IELTS, Duolingo, PT, you can contact with Dr. Kamran Sufi.
You are most welcome.
Thank you.